The green tree python rests after a night's hunting. This python forms parts of the group of constrictor snakes. It kills its prey by strangulation, wrapping itself around them before swallowing them. At night, it feeds on birds or small mammals living in the trees. Where it cuddles up during the day to rest.
Please subscribe for more videos.